Okay, so now we're going to get into order of operations. I'm just going to do 2 examples with you just to refresh our memory, and then I've got 2 practice for you at the bottom. Okay, so here's our first one, so go ahead and take a second to write that down. Okay, so we have, again, just ignore the numbers. We have 40 divided by 14 minus 5 minus 3. So when we're doing order of operations, we remember PEMDAS. Okay, so according to that, we're going to do our parentheses first. Okay, so I like to underline what I'm working through. So I have 40 divided by 4 minus, and then I'm going to simplify 5 minus 3, which is 2. All right, the next part of my problem, I have 40 divided by 4, and I have 4 minus 2. Okay, so according to my order of operations, I either do division or subtract. I'm either doing division or subtraction. Division comes first. So I'm going to do 40 divided by 4, which is 10. Bring down my minus 2. I have 1 operation left. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So for number 10, you should have got 8. That one's not bad at all. Okay, so let's do one a little bit, has a little bit more operations in it. Okay, so take a second to write that one down. We have 2 plus 6 times 2 plus 2 minus 4 times 2. So once again, we have PEMDAS. Okay, so according to this, we have to do parentheses first. However, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 operations within my parentheses. So which do we do first? We have addition, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. According to my order of operations, I'm going to do the multiplication one first. So I do positive 6 times 2. Okay, I'm going to do blue this time. So I'm going to bring down the rest of it. 2, I have 6 times 2. Whoops, not 66. 6 times 2. It's a positive 12. So I'm going to bring down plus 12. Bring down my plus 2 minus 4. All that's still in parentheses times 2. All right, now I have addition, addition, and subtraction according to order of operations. When I have addition and subtraction, I do whichever one comes first from left to right, which in this case is addition. Addition comes first. So 2 plus 12, I'll get 14 plus 2 minus 4. All that's still in parentheses times 2. Once again, addition comes first from left to right. So I'm going to have 16 minus 4 times 2. All right, one more operation within my parentheses is 16 minus 4, which is 12. Whoops, I didn't mean to write that in red. Give me 1 second. Which is 12 times 2. So I have 1 operation left. 12 times 2 is 24. All right, when you start trying to skip ahead and go all over the place with your operations, that's when you start making mistakes. So just do one step at a time. Okay, so for number 25, your answer should have been 24. All right, this is what I want you to do now for the next 2. I have these 2 problems right here, 15 and 21. I want you to pause the video and I want you to attempt these on your own without my help. All right? I'm going to put the answers in there. So for 15, the answer was 14. And for 21, the answer is 10. Okay? Make sure you pause the video, work through those on your own, and then I will do them with you. Okay, so hopefully you've worked them by now. If you got them right, you're done with the video. If not, you can fast forward to the number that you need help with. So for this first one, I'm following order of operations. I'll do what's in my parentheses first. So that gives me 2 times 49 divided by 7. Okay, so according to order of operations, I do when it's multiplication and division, I do whichever one comes first from left to right. Okay, so I have 2 times 49, and that gives me 98 divided by 7. So I have one operation, 98 divided by 7 gives me 14, just like what we said earlier. All right, next one. Some of y'all may have been confused on this because it has a fraction, but we're not going to get flustered by a fraction. So let's take it one step at a time. So inside my parentheses, I have 5 plus 9. That's what I'm going to do first. So I bring everything else down. 5 plus 9 is, wow, why can't I think? 14. Okay. So now I have 8 times 15 over 5 minus 14. Okay, so according to my order of operations, I'm going to do 8 times 5/15. So I just do that in my calculator. 8 times 15 over 5. Okay, just like we talked about earlier. And that gives me 24. Okay, so I'm just going to simplify that. 24 minus 14. And then I have one operation left. So 24 minus 14 gives me 10, just like we said earlier. All right, so that is order of operations. If you would like some more practice with that, just let me know and I can send you some stuff. All right, hope that helps.